As a creator with a story to tell, you shouldn't have to compromise which side of the camera gets good audio. Missing a great moment because you're constantly flipping your camera or mic, or having to add subtitles because you can't hear your subject should be the last thing on your mind when expressing your creativity. What if you didn't have to compromise? That's why we've doubled down on our microphone design, to capture both sides of the story. Say hello to the DoubleMic. The DoubleMic records professional quality audio from both the front and rear of the microphone using dual capsule technology, making it perfect for vlogging, interviews, and narrating your story. This revolutionary microphone will allow you to capture live commentary without having to add it in post, or record conversations that don't require closed captions or multiple mics. Recording outdoors can be tough, especially when you're in loud public areas. But with the DoubleMic's dual supercardioid polar patterns, you'll be able to focus on what you want to hear and not what you don't. Hey, what do you want to do next?
I think we should go ride the Ferris wheel.
Oh yeah, great idea. Hey, what do you want to do next?
I think we should go ride the Ferris wheel.
Oh yeah, great idea. The DoubleMic boasts versatility with the flip of a switch. The directional audio toggle allows you to easily switch between front, rear, or both mics at the same time. Set the switch to the front mic to catch the action in front of the camera, or switch to the rear mic to add your own commentary without having to face the camera towards you. If you need both, you can activate front and rear mics simultaneously by moving the toggle into dual record mode for a no-compromise solution to capturing everything you want to hear. So now that we finished with the unboxing, let's go ahead with the audio samples. You can hear me right now through the front microphone. And Jess, you want to go ahead and say hi?
Hi guys, this is Jess talking through the rear microphone. How do I sound?
We didn't forget about smartphone users with the DoubleMic. It's designed with an input switch that allows you to record in camera or smartphone mode, making the DoubleMic a great solution for every type of creator. The DoubleMic comes with a universal 3.5mm audio cable that's compatible with any device with a 3.5mm audio jack, like most cameras and smartphones. And better yet, the cable is built into the microphone, so you'll never lose it. If your smartphone doesn't feature a headphone jack, no problem. Just grab your Lightning or USB-C adapter and you're good to go. When using smartphone mode, use the built-in headphone port to monitor audio playback after recording on your iPhone or Android. It's gonna be a great day, so thanks for watching and stay tuned. The DoubleMic's Rycote Lyre shock mount protects it from handling noise, while the attached cold shoe allows you to easily mount the DoubleMic on your camera, tripod, or smartphone rig. It features a lightweight aluminum body which is sturdy enough to withstand everyday use and light enough to take with you anywhere. Powered by your device and with no batteries required, it's always ready to record when you are. The DoubleMic comes with both foam and fur windscreens. Compact and lightweight, you'll be saving space and decreasing bulk without sacrificing performance. When you're ready to pack up, the DoubleMic and all its accessories fit neatly into a portable carrying case, keeping it protected on the go. At Movo, we want to help you share your creative voice. And with the DoubleMic, everyone is able to join the conversation. Whatever you're creating, the DoubleMic has your back, front, or both. Movo. Creators want it.